If you had a little girl, girl.
Y'all, hopefully nobody's manifesting on that right My right foot is squirting.
For you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times?
Oh my god. Oh wait, my hair is good.
Yeah, now look, even from the back. Puerto Rican. Oh, I do. Okay. Just a little bummer. It's giving these pictures like it'll be really nice.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I got you.
So you can use them for your page. So really do whatever the hell you want to do. I'm just here to be Jada Waiter.
I want to be Jada White.
That's it. Yeah. Beautiful, huh? The party's tomorrow. Right?
Yeah.
That's just for 100.
Girl, my dad gave me his car.
It'll be 100.
You gonna buy 100? You gonna go for it?
What?
You going for it?
Why not? I think it'd be fun.
You got pretty eyebrows.
Thank you.
You want a studio, son?
Yeah, you can. Hey, look at this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my nails ain't been down like crazy, but
Mine's not either.
give me like, cause what?
I didn't get my toes done. I rather get my toes
Same,
done
I
before
needed
get my
fucking
nails.
pedicure so bad. I literally just said fuck the nails. Cause I was like ripping my nails off. I'm like, I'm gonna let my nail beds repair themselves. Like, bitch, it costs to get a pedicure. It's summertime.
Girl, this wig is just too much for me. This is my first wig.
No way. No way. Babe, you never told me that, y'all. What the hell?
So this is some good ass hair.
Period. This is that. So this is not that. So yeah.
Did you sell your blonde wig?
Nope, I still have it.
How much you said?
Oh my god, they're amazing. I need to order a couple more things, but they're amazing. The straight hair was bomb as fuck. Like, left no crumbs. For real. Oh, okay. Like a couple like signature wigs.
Why you just wanna go like book a trip and go try out your own house?
I wish. I really wish. No cap. Oh, I don't know. Right now I'm manifesting a trip to not work.
Me too.
Like, I want to go somewhere so bad. I don't even know where. Out the country though.
Dubai.
Okay.
My mom's from Dubai.
No, really?
Okay.
Oh my god, my best friend's mom just went to Dubai for her birthday. And I'm like, y'all lit.
They rich.
I swear to God. Cause
I'm like, you go to Dubai, you rich.
I swear.
Because Dubai is just expensive.
Their tickets and everything, like the whole living situation.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot.
So guess what? Knew it. Anyways. We're a minute. Me and him got together. Ribbon. Yeah. What you doing? Y'all, I love my old car, but guess what? New beginnings. I'm done. is getting good. Anyways, this is the end of my night because I missed my photo shoot. It wasn't my fault. It was definitely my baby daddy's fault, but whatever. I missed it. Adios, photo shoot. But he was so understanding, guys. He was literally like, you know, like, it's okay. And I just want a big shout out to him because I am definitely going back. I just wasn't together today, which wasn't my fault. But now I know I can record on here without actually having to hold nothing. It's lit. I also think I want a little thing for like, oh my god, I'm gonna go shopping, where's my boyfriend's card? I need that little thing that they put in the door and it has like glitter on it. You know what I'm talking about, right? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I've seen all the little cute influencer girls with new cars, new trucks and stuff. Yeah, I want that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that. Actually, you know what? I don't want to get it, so... Anybody? Just kidding. Yeah, I'm sitting over here waiting and waiting. And if you know me, y'all are gonna get to know me. I don't like waiting. I don't like waiting on nothing. I ain't playing when I just say nothing. A nigga, a wig, a nail tech. Bitch, I'm not waiting on nothing. Next. But y'all know I fuck with my nail tech the hard way. I just took my nails off and I know she doesn't like when I like pop them off. So I said, okay, cool, like I'm not gonna tell you because I'm not gonna tell you, but I popped them off. Hopefully she's not watching this. And girl, if you are, I love you, but I had to take them off because Aiden keeps like, literally, y'all, I'm just not gonna lie, having a 2-year-old and some long nails, not it. So when I get my baby back from like his dad, I'm like ready to take off my nails because look, I am not finna hit them hoes like 20,000 times and they hurt and they like, I don't want to have to go to the emergency room over a nail. So I just be pop, pop, pop. And I really wanted to go back for a refill, so I'm a little upset, but it's whatever. But I'm so excited, you guys. New beginnings, like doing everything on my own. I don't know, like I'm low-key like getting into like building my credit and shit like that, and I'm just like, they don't teach this shit in high school. Like they teach nothing in high school that I've needed in my whole entire life right now. Like I learned how to read in elementary, add middle school, multiply in middle school, like that's nothing. They don't show you nothing. But yeah, we're just gonna sit here and talk because where my nigga at, we don't know. We don't know. So I'm just kidding. He's at Taco Bell. But hurry the fuck up because yeah. Well, not really, because I got some other stuff to do. Yeah, I'm gonna make my nigga take pictures of me and I'm gonna put it in after that. I'm gonna actually put it in when he's taking pictures of me. Because wait, take my pictures back, please. Anyways, that one light ain't getting it. Look at two though. Okay, wait. Get into it. Get it fucking into it. I just want to say, if you're ever going to use anything, sweetie, the truth. One more time. The truth.
Hey, I gotta get right there. I gotta get a shout. You got me with some scratchy.
For you, for you.